Hi, Maria. This is Nick. I'm following up on the conversation you had on Thursday with Marcy, and this is your customized and complimentary website audit. So, video website audit. We're going to show you 3 to 4 things that you can do to bring more traffic to your site, thus, more jobs, more clients. Also, compare you to your competitor and see what you can do there. So, let's get started. When I hit your page, it's a beautiful image, it's a beautiful kitchen. The one thing, though, that is missing. Typically, a lot of people, more than 2/3, browse the internet on phones. So you want your phone number somewhere up on top here, right? And it could be a click to call. So when you hover it, someone can just call it. Especially the other piece, when I scroll down, you see how your menu's gone, right? We want to have your menu available all times. Now, first important thing, content. Google loves content. The more you have relevant content, the more you become a subject matter expert. The suggestion is to have 2,000 or more words on your homepage. Not that someone's going to read all of that, but someone's typing in something like home remodeling Phoenix, Arizona, you come up. People are looking for the most trusted provider, typically on the first page. So definitely 2,000 words or more. Something else, if I do a save as on your images, it's okay. It's a little kludgy, and the reason why this is important is because Google reads behind those images. So those should be keywords as well. So this one might be, bathroom remodel Phoenix, Arizona, right? Now, let's look at this. This is called Ahrefs. This is a program that I have that really is expensive, about $1,000 a month, but what it does is it shows kind of the inner workings of a website and its performance, right? So looking at your site, we talked about content, extremely important. The next thing is backlinks. And although you have a lot of backlinks, backlinks are just links from other sites, typically credible sites, sometimes in the same niche. They're not giving you enough keywords because backlinks contain keywords, thus traffic. So from your site last month, you had 10 people find your site on searches. Okay, let's dive down into here. Here we go. ABT home renovations. You should always be number 1 for your brand name, right? You're in position 1. It gave you 8 traffic or 40%. It's pretty fair. But as you look at the rest of these, ABT Design Center, home renovations, some of those, the search volume isn't there. You don't need to be found for every iteration of your name. What you really want to be found for is this, right? Home remodeling Phoenix, 70 searches a month. Home remodeling Phoenix, Arizona, 100 searches a month. But you can see you've dropped. You're on like the 8th and 9th page here. Okay. So now, if I do this Google search, home remodeling Phoenix, Arizona, right here, this is called the map pack. You get here not only through content and backlinks, but through something called citations. Those are your name, address, and phone on the internet. Pretty simple to do. Happy to help you with that. Because when you're here, then you're getting more traffic. Now, organically, who comes up first for home remodeling in Phoenix, Arizona? You got Holtzman. I'm sure you know who they are. I spent 10 years in Peoria. I know who they are. So let's look at their site. Okay, here's the site. Do you see how this phone number is a click to call? But again, their menu kind of disappears as well. But here's what's important, not the site. I mean, your site looks, as good as it. They have a little more content though, which you definitely need. And I think they have more images. But let's look under the hood. So their site in Ahrefs, right? 1,600 backlinks. Wow. 383 keywords, traffic, 400 people went to their site through keywords. Let's look at those keywords. We can do something called a copycat method and learn here which keywords we want to go after. And I'm going to show you something. This is perfect for you. I hope you're at this point of the presentation. Look at this word, kitchen remodels Phoenix. Okay. Search volume of 300. Keyword difficulty, that goes from 0 to 100. Anything over 20 is going to take quite a while. Anything under 20 is a little bit easier, but this one's a 2, right? They're in the 3rd position. They just dropped one. They got 34 people to their site. How about that? Kitchen remodeling Phoenix. Keyword difficulty of 2. These are the words, remodelers, Phoenix, Arizona. These are the words that you want to go after to build within your content, to build on your backlinks. It's a little formulaic, and you have to do it the right way per se, but this is definitely what you want to be looking at and the keywords you want to be getting. Okay, so let's summarize. Content, again, 2,000 words on the homepage, over 1,000 on each inner page. This is how you're found, right? You have that subject matter expert to Google. You have that content. Implementing backlinks. You had a lot of backlinks, but you didn't have any keywords and you only had 10 people coming to the site, right? So words like home remodeling, Phoenix, Arizona. And what if you were able to get 2 months from now, another 15 visits to the site every month? 3 months from now, another 30. 6 months from now, another 100. I don't know what your close ratio is, but even if you're closing 5 to 10%, that's going to make a difference. You will scale your business quickly. Last piece, citations, name, address, phone. That is just through the directories on the website, so you appear in that map pack, right? So appreciate you letting me show this to you, Maria. Happy to follow up and answer any questions. I'll do that next week, but please feel free to contact me, 541-420-8430. Thanks. Goodbye.